Good morning friends, welcome back. Happy International Yoga Day to you all. Yoga is the way of living to health and happiness. Practicing yoga helps energizing our body with the cosmic energy. Let's see some of the breathing and exercises and asanas in lying posture today. Lie on your back straight with the hands on your dorsals. This is the breathing exercise. This is a very good exercises that give the benefits of breathing and stretching. So breathing, bring your feet forward, your hands raised up, close to your ears in the floor. Feel the stretch of your body. Breathe out. Slowly come back to the original position. Next exercises, physical exercise by laying down. The first one is the cycling. Bring your right leg and hand like this and start the cycling. Start slowly, then you can increase the speed. And before concluding, again come slowly and conclude. This will help to reduce the belly fat. It is giving pressure, the thighs coming towards the belly and giving pressure to the belly. And another exercise is the crisscross. So lay down like this with hands pressing down. Lift your head and legs. Then move crisscross. Gaze at the toes of the legs and the movement of the legs. Crisscross. This strengthens the lower body and the thighs, the legs, everyone, and also gives some exercises to the eyes while gazing on the toes and the legs. Now let's come to the postures. The first one is bridge pose. Like this. The hands close on the side of the body. Breathe in. Raise your body. Hold the breath. Feel the stretch. This strengthens the back and the spine. Breathe out. Slowly come down. With the hands and the trunk on the floor at the same time. Yes, that is it. Then let's see a 4 limbs raised pose. Lay down like this, straight. Then while breathing in, raise your 4 limbs up. Bring it up. Hold down the breath. Feel the stretch. Your legs and hands are strengthening. The lower water is strengthening. It stretches the legs and hands. Exhale. Come down slowly. With all the 4 limbs together. Back to normal position. Then the last one I included today is the wind release pose. Just like the term says the meaning, it helps to release the excess air inside the tummy. That is the wind release pose. So let us see how to do that. Breathe in. Hold it like this. Breathe out. Try to touch your forehead to the knees. Feel the stress you given on your abdomen. Then breathe in, come down with your head, breathe out, back to the normal position. While you do postures on laying down, after doing the breathing, the exercises and the postures, please relax for a while in corpse pose. Like this, palms facing upward and the legs like that, like that. Just imagine your body is relaxing. Relax your body from the toes to the forehead. Just scan your body and feel that you are getting sufficient strength. You are feeling sufficient strength. All the elements, the variables, the heat element, air element, water element and the energy element are all regular in our body and we are feeling sufficient strength. Give auto-suggestion like that and relax for a while. Then after the relaxation, always I recommend to turn towards the right side and come up. So we saw some a breathing exercise and 2 physical exercises and 3 postures in this. Yoga is the road to health and happiness. It is an art of healing. It is also the art of practicing. So practice yoga, include yoga practice in your routine and enjoy the journey of the self to the self through the self. Yoga is the golden gate to connect it with the higher self. That is it, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.